In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Lastly, click on Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!